Again, you're most welcome to Tech Talks. Again, with you is Francis. In the last video, I tried showing you how to go through the booting process, where we looked at the different stages that a computer undergoes when it is carrying out what we call booting. And we said booting is the starter procedure, procedure of a computer system. When it is starting, the procedures that goes in order to bring you a screen where you start interacting with your programs is what we call booting. Now, during the booting, we looked at the final stage where you the operating system is loaded, and then you get a screen which they ask you to enter the password, and then once the credential is activated and approved, then you get access to your applications. That's the final stages in booting. So in today's video, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to see how to access the programs, how to access or use computer programs after booting, of course, after booting. So once the booting is done, how do you get access to the program? First and foremost, the first thing is during the booting, we said the last stage is when you get a screen like this one. You get a screen like this where you are supposed to log in. Here you log in with a password, and this password is stored in the BIOS password. So once you provide the correct password, and then you have access to the screen, which looks like this, and this is what you call the desktop screen. Desktop. Now the desktop has different icons. As you can see, we have like this Microsoft Word icon, we have archive, we have PDF icon, we have the folder, we have the Notepad++, we have the QuickBooks, we have Oracle. So all of these icons represent different programs. They represent applications, softwares, and we said application software, these are types of software which perform specific tasks. For example, Microsoft Word is a word processor for formatting documents. A folder is a collection of different files put together. And then we have like archive. This is a way of compressing different documents and put them together, save. QuickBook is a tool for used for accounting. Then Oracle is a content management system, a storage system by Oracle. Recycle bin, this is where you put files which are no longer useful to your computer. So these programs come on your screen when you already you've already put the password on your machine, then you get access to the desktop. So on your desktop, ladies and gentlemen, you see something like this. Of course, you see this icon here. This is called the Windows. This is the window start menu. So the moment you click on this, you get different programs. Then we have the search key, the search box or search key box. The search box, this is where you type the keyword and then you start searching for different programs. And then this part here is called the taskbar. This is called the taskbar. So on the taskbar, we have different icons which are pinned. We have like File Explorer, we have the Internet Explorer, we have the Chrome, we have this one, we have this prayer. So we have different icons which are pinned on this taskbar. And then we have the notification area where we have the network setting, we have the speaker settings, we have the internet setting, and then the power setup. So That's the layout of your desktop. We have the Windows startup, we have the search box, then we have the taskbar, then we have this notification area, notification area, and then we have the whole screen, and then we have the what? The icons here, the icons. So this is what you get, ladies and gentlemen. So from here, what the other thing you get is that once the computer is loaded, you get different programs. You get different programs like this. So the moment you click on the Windows Start, I say this is what we call the Windows Start. So when you click on that, you get different programs. As you can see, you get programs like which are pinned on your screen, startup. Then you can also open to get all the programs. When you click here, you can get track of all the programs here which are in your computer system. You can scroll up and down to look for the type of program. Then we have this search box that I told you. This is where you type. For example, if I want Excel, you type Excel, and then you see Excel will come on top with the best match. And then the moment you click on it, of course it will open Microsoft Excel, and then you can start using Excel in whatever thing you want. So the other thing is that of course, after opening all these programs, ladies and gentlemen, the other thing you need to know is that we have this is what we call the taskbar. As you see, I say this is the Windows menu. Then we have the search box here, and then this is what we call the taskbar, and then we say this is the notification area. So when you click on the Windows menu, this is how you get all the programs in the Windows. When you click on the search box, this is where you type what you want. Then we have notification area, and now, like in the notification area, we have the file explorer. This one is very important. Now when you open the file explorer, ladies and gentlemen, you get access to what? You get access to different applications, different programs in your computer, different programs in your machines. Now your computer is made up of different drives, which we call the Windows drive if you are using Windows OS. Now these drives will have a drive which keeps your operating systems files. We have the drives that is used for keeping your other personal data. So now all these are way, or you get access to what? To your programs. You get access to different programs, programs inside your computer system. And I'm going to make a video showing you how we can use all this to come up with different programs, how we can use the file, which I will talk about the anatomy of the file management. So we shall see different files. We shall look at the operating system software files. We shall look at the application software files, and then we shall look at the personal data files, and then we shall see how all that is done. So once you get you have access to the Windows Explorer, you have access to all the programs installed in your computer here, then you can open whatever program. If you want to do the settings, of course we have the setting here. You can open the settings, and then you can go to, we have the system settings where we have all these programs. We have the network settings, we have the personalization, how you personalize your screen. We have different apps which are installed in your machine, like if you want to see all the programs which are installed on your computers, you can easily access them through the apps. Then we have different accounts. If you are using more than one account on your computer, you will also be able to get access to the app. If you want to check the time and the language you're using, and then the games. We have all different ways you can do the settings on your machine. So once all that has been done, ladies and gentlemen, you will now be able to start using your computer. You will now be able to start using your computer to open a specific program that you want to open and then start using. So all in all, it starts with how do you power the computer on, and that is when we are under booting. And once the booting is done, you get a screen which looks like this, and this is the first step to do. Then login. You have to log in with a password. That's why I see here they're saying enter password. So you enter password. After entering password, now the OS or the BIOS will check if the password match with the one in the system. If it is correct, then you get access to this screen here with different programs. Once you get this, now you can use the Windows Start menu to open the Windows program. You can use the search box to search for any program you want. Some of the program are already on the taskbar, and then once you do that, maybe you go to the File Explorer, this one, File Explorer, and then you can start exploring everything within the ends or within your menus. So otherwise, ladies and gentlemen, for now we will stop here. In the next video, we shall look at other main components. We shall look at other key components that we can use, or we shall look at other techniques we can use in order to master the computer. Otherwise, for now we will stop here. I just encourage you to share this video, like it, and also subscribe to our page. Remember to also register with our website. We have very many videos and different opportunities. Right now we have a Got Talent challenge going on, and the winner will get $500, second winner $200. This is a very big opportunity to the youth, especially those with talents in the music, the talents in the poem, the talents in the speeches, the talents in different innovations. Go and grab this chance on TechBtalks website, www.techtalks.com. Everything is available. Otherwise, let's catch up in the next video. Thank you. See you later.